YouTube, what it is? It's your boy Young, and I'm back with another video, man. I ain't has a bush, man. As y'all know, this is where it all started for me, man. Every time I come out here, I just get inspired because I understand this is where it all started at. When I started trucking, I was on the same ground. When I first got in the truck on my own, to start my trucking journey, my account started at Anheuser-Busch on Warner account, at Warner. I'm driving for Warner. And the first account I was on was Anheuser-Busch, man. So anytime I come out here, I just get so inspired, guys. I get inspired because I think about where I've been at and where I'm on my way to. I always be trying to see my my truck. I remember my truck number, 787. Dang, I don't forgot just that fast. I thought I remember. No, 78878. That was my truck number. My bad, man. I almost had a hiccup, man. I told y'all I remember the truck number now. 78878. I just had a brain freeze. But anytime I come out here, I just get so inspired, man, because like I said, drop a glove. I understand where this all started, man. You know what I'm saying? I understand the process of what I've been through and where I'm at now, man. And no matter how tough it get, no matter how rough it get, I always remind myself that as rough as it is, as worse as we think it may have been or it's gonna get, it's somebody that got it bad, man. So anytime I come out here, I just get super inspired just to know, just to keep going, man. Keep going. So with that said, if you're new to the channel, all that's that you do is like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below and tell your boy what's up. If you're old to the channel, what it is, what it ain't. Y'all know what we doing, man. We making it happen. Picking up this MD and we going to Rome, Georgia to pick up a load. Don't know where we going at because they don't look familiar to me, but we gonna go out there and get that load and we gonna take it back to ATL Rail Safe and Sound. Y'all already know, if you want to get that safe, call QSC. We gonna get it there. We gonna provide quality service every time. That's what we gonna do. And we don't do nothing else. We gonna provide quality service every time. You know what I mean? But we didn't work on Wednesday. Told us they ain't had no loads. It's becoming the norm, guys, so it is what it is. Today was late check-in. Of course, you will get this video on Friday, so that means you already know what that means, man. It's the god doggone weekend, man. We gonna try to upload us a lifestyle vlog this weekend. I don't know what we gonna do. I need to go back there and shut down the tandems, lock the tandems, but look, as you can see, man, I can't get back there. It just flooded. But we gonna try to get you a lifestyle vlog this weekend. We're gonna try to do something different, man. Like I always tell you, I want the channel to be well-rounded. I just don't want it to be about trucking. I want it to be about life, period. Life of inspiring, life of full of aspirations, life of full of goals, life of full of pushing people to be the better version of themselves. Life of, if you can do it, if you wanna do it, you can do it. Life of, all you gotta do is put your mind to it. Life of, we can be anything in the world that we wanna be, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all about life, man. But I remember this, man. And I just get so freaking inspired when I come out here. Because I put a lot of work in on this ground, man. I put a lot of time in on this ground, man. Man, I'm telling you, man. I remember these days. But let's go. All right, so I had to get out of that water, man. Had to get out of that water so I can lock these tandems in. Shut this other door. Tires dirty as I don't know what, man. Somebody been all in the mud. Oh, dang. Let me make sure this thing goes up. Yeah, we empty. Ain't no beer in here now. So we good. All right, man, we heading to Rome, man. We're going to pick up this load get back up the road. Man, I like to hook a container like that to my truck and just ride with it every day. That'll look good. Back and forth to Savannah. That's all I want to do, man. Back and forth to Savannah. Take one from Atlanta to Savannah. Get one from Savannah to come back and do the same thing every single day, 5 days a week, man. I want a dedicated lane just like that, man. It's coming, dog. It's coming. I ain't tripping. One, I see you backing over there. Alright, so I can remember I'm pulling up this gate, man, and I can remember when our morning shift, we used to race, you know, see who can hook up to their load fast, strap their load down, and who can get to the front of the gate the fastest, get out the gate and head to where we was going that morning. We was more likely going to like Gainesville or something like that, man. But man, I remember, man, these was the days, man. Get who can scrap their load down the fastest and get out the gate, get their bills, and get on up the road, man. But as soon as the driver pull out, we gonna pull up, let them check the back, make sure it's empty, so they can see it's empty because I know it's empty. And we're gonna head to Rome, Georgia. We made it safe and sound. We picked that load up from Rome, which is a trailer full of Rice Krispie treats, man. And we just in-gate to the rail yard. And, you know, I sit here and I send a message, ask for another load. Whoever dispatched me to this load, I definitely appreciate it. So I'm picking up out of the same place I'm dropping. And I'm finna pick up a reefer. And I'm gonna run up to the petrol and I'm gonna fill it up, make sure I top it off with fuel before I go and deliver it. And where I'm delivering at is so close by the house, so I'm gonna drop it over there and we can go into the house, man. For a late start today, I'm still missing one day, but it ain't no way I can make up for that unless I come in on the weekend. So guys, we definitely might, you know, have to start working on the weekends when they got work. I mean, I know I'm not big on working weekends, but at this point, sometimes you just gotta sacrifice, and we probably start picking up that Saturday. If they got that Saturday available, we will go ahead and try to get pre-assigned on them loads for Saturday and run us about 3 of them, 3 to 4 if we can. Just to try to make up for that downtime that we be having during the week. So sometimes you just gotta make those adjustments, man, you know. It is what it is, dog. Like I always tell y'all already know, I'm gonna get it done one way or another. So let's unhook from this load, drop this load, and see if we can find our reefer load, man. So right now, guys, I'm just riding along the track side, man, to see if I can find my container. They told me it was on track 6, but it wasn't on track 6. So sometimes they be done move it. Sometimes they say it's somewhere and they don't be there. So you just gotta ride around and look for it. So right now, I'm chasing the chicken tail, man, trying to track down that reefer unit. But we gonna find it. That's for sure. We gonna find it, man. So as I ride through the rail yard, and look for this trailer, you know, one thing for sure, that we gonna find it and we gonna get up out of here. I can promise you that. Kind of like coming to Atlanta Rail, because you can really see downtown from here, from the rail yard, man. See somebody right there on the left, but their 4-ways on, they probably waiting for a yard dog. Probably the trailer probably blocked. You probably got the inside trailer, but y'all remember my last video, what happened with that, so you know how that is, man. Let's see. We get lucky on this side, man. We looking for 570365. 570. Look at that. No 57. No. 365. Nah, that's 34. I thought that was it over there in the inside. I was about to say, man. 57346. We looking for 570365. If it ain't on this side over here, it gotta be in section 4. Gotta be. That's the only other place it can be I can think of. God, chasing it down. But I need that one, because that one get me close to the house, and I'm gonna get a little extra for that one. So I got to find it. I'm on the hunt. Alright, so I finally spot the trailer, man. It's on the other side, so I need to go all the way around, and I need to come straight down on that side, because I'm at the back end. It's facing a different angle, man. So I found the trailer, which is the good news. We gonna hook up to the trailer, inspect the trailer, see how much fuel in it, and we gonna get on up the road, man. All right, so this is what we dealing with, man. I saw the trailer from on this side over here once I was riding down that side. But I'm so lucky that my trailer is the inside trailer, man. So this JB Hunt right here is in the way. Before I wait on a freaking yard dog today, and just because it's JB Hunt trailer, and even if it wasn't JB Hunt trailer today, I still would probably move it. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna hook up to this trailer, and I'm gonna pull this joker and probably back it over here so I can get to my trailer. Cause I gotta go, man. I ain't got time to waste a day. I gotta go, man. See, sometimes you just gotta take matters in your own hand, man. Hey, I'll put it over there. Hey, they can move it all they want, but I gotta get me, and I gotta get up out of here. Set point 60 is at 63. Where we at? Man, I don't know if that's full or what, man. I don't. Shoot. Oh, come on now. Come on now. How you set this thing on here now? There you go. Do it with that hand. The hand without a glove. Hey, the thing is, I don't think I got to go get fuel because the new rule is now, before you enter the rail yard, I don't know. I'm still gonna put some in there. Make sure that joker full. You know what I mean? Gotta seal that in. Last 464, 64. Good luck. Alright, man. Shoot, everything looking good. It's crazy how them containers come in on this right here. This bad boy right here. He's sitting down up in there. There go the pins right there. Look at that. That's crazy. Something new. Got all kind of stuff in the tire, man. I've been turning and that in there. Yeah, that thing's full, man. Hey, they don't know. They go put 100. Tell them they need 100. Yes, sir. Appreciate that. Whoever dropped this. Let me get that. Set that right there. Lock my hand in there. And we good to go, baby. I already know we made it out here, Atlanta Bonnet. You just went over the trailer to make sure everything was good. I told them if they wanted to hear safe and sound, you know who to call. Let me go ahead and get my paperwork so I can get paid, man. Right now, he made sure the temperature was set right, made sure the fuel was good. Now he going to the back to check the seal and making sure the seal good on it, man. So I made sure I verified all that before I even got here. So we should be good to go, man. Going here. Sleep on the job. 5. What's that? Yes, sir. I wish I can drop here every night before I go to the house. That'll be perfect for me because I don't stay too far. Cut down some of them deadhead miles, you know what I mean? First, want me to drop it in door 40? We finna drop it in door 40 and get up out of here, man. Drop it in door 40, get up out here. We got our paperwork, so we good to go. right, man. So we dropped it in door 40. I was kind of excited because I'm like, okay, I got to pop the doors. But I had to remember that we don't pop the doors out here. We just back it in the dock with the doors closed, and then they open everything up from the inside, man. So, golly, I thought I was about to see what was in the back. I was about to see how it feel back there, man. But no, it's a lot of reefers out here. Guys, if I was able to get me a trailer, which I am going to get me a trailer, let's speak that into existence. I am going to get me a trailer when the time is right. I want to go reefer, man, because you can turn it off and it can be dry van too. But, you know, when you running that refrigerated, the world got to eat. Everybody always got to eat. So it's always going to be freight moving in this right here, man. So this is the last load of the day. I'm going home. It's Friday. Welcome to the weekend. Y'all be safe out there. Make it back to the channel on Monday because I'm going to be waiting on you. I'm going to be waiting on your behind to tell you, like, hey, bro, you can do it. Hey, sis, let's get it done. We ain't got time to complain. We ain't got time to talk. We got to go. We got to get in the win. I'm going to be here to motivate you Monday morning, Monday noon, should I say, sharp. So just get to the channel. That's all I ask that you do. Again, if you're new to the channel, all I ask that you do is like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below and tell your boy what's up. If you're old to the channel, you already know what we're doing, man. We making it happen one way or another. The door closed, we gonna open up the next one. You already know what it is. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Happy Friday. Cheers to the weekend. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. I'll see you back here Monday. Let's go. Jump!